Hello and welcome to Enigma X. I'm May and this is Sebastian.
We've opened Melbourne's latest art gallery and the world's first narrative art gallery. Come have a look.
This desk is where the artist will greet you when you enter the store.
And behind the desk, we have a previous client's work called The Horizon, which represents the venture into new beginnings. Obviously, with the opening of Enigma X, we asked them if we could use it, and they agreed.
So this is the curation space, and I designed this so people can feel really comfortable, because a big part of our process is making sure people tell their stories, and we really get into the fine details of their memories, their hopes, their dreams, a little bit like a therapy session.
And we actually had to solve this problem of how do we take somebody who doesn't believe they're creative or artistic and extract from them those fine memories, those emotions, and really visualize what that looks like in real time. So with the curation session, we have a 3-step process, and the first step is all about understanding context. Understand the context of the client's either home or office or wherever they want to hang the art piece. That'll help us design what the piece should look like. We then have to understand the client themselves, understand the context of what makes them them. The next 2 steps of the curation process are all about making sure the artwork is aligned to the client's journey and their story, and then secondly, making sure it's visually stunning.
The piece that's inside our Enigma X frame, it's made from Australian timber, and I just really love how this piece sits inside our store. This one was really interesting because our client is very eccentric and just loves this idea of creating a vision that's inside his brain of this is what life is and this is what life's about. No one really kind of knows the true story of the invasion, but everyone likes to make up their own stories. And that's why I also really like this piece.
Thank you for coming in and seeing our space. We love showing you around. See you next time.
Bye.